Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm his dad.
And this is Ben and Dad Check.
Yay!
And today we've got some nice candy bars.
I was in Thailand in April and I returned with a bunch of yummy treats that we haven't seen before. Quite a few of these are in English, so first we have Hershey Day.
Hershey Day.
We've got Hershey's Nuggets. Cream Strawberry.
Ooh.
Hershey's Cocoa Creations Rich Coffee.
We got Hershey's Cookies and Cream Salted Caramel. And Hershey's Cocoa Creations.
It's right there.
Hazelnut flavor with butter cookies.
Then we got Hershey's Cocoa Creations Salted Caramel. So this one's a dark chocolate caramel. This one's white chocolate caramel. And finally,
we got Cocoa Creations Mixed Berries flavor.
That one sounds yummy.
49% deliciously darker milky chocolate and cookies. First, we do this one.
Okay.
I'm interested to see what strawberry chocolate tastes like. Oh, this is cool. It's got like a...
Well, it's a little tray with individual nuggets. I'll have a nugget.
I'll have a nugget.
We'll save one for prop manager, who's unfortunately not joining us today.
The traffic was too... Yeah, it was traffic.
Traffic. Getting to the studio was a headache.
Okay, yeah. It smells like those strawberry Pop-Tarts.
It's definitely
Oh, it's melting in my hand. It's quite melty. Alright, I'm just gonna go.
Alright.
So it's like a strawberry powdery stuff in the middle?
Yeah, there's like a strawberry powder layer in the middle. Light pink.
I like the... I think strawberry belongs with white chocolate.
It kind of reminds me of the stuff you put in milk, magic milk kind of stuff. Like the powder version of milk flavor. And they just put a layer of that strawberry milk stuff in the middle of white chocolate. And somehow it works perfectly. Well, if those come here, I would definitely get those.
I rated it a 5 out of 5.
I'm going to go 4 out of 5 just because even though I like white chocolate, it's not my favorite.
Up next is Hershey's Cocoa Creations Rich Coffee flavor. If you've been watching this channel for a little bit, you know we do not like coffee.
We do not like coffee.
And it's
So
broken.
I have a feeling most of this is going to the prop manager.
It smells like coffee. Smell it. Hold on. I'll break
Rich
this.
coffee.
I'll break this piece.
Yes, I only need a nibble. Wow, that is a strong coffee flavor.
It smells.
It smells like somebody has been brewing coffee or we walked into a Starbucks.
3.
So there's some...
It burns my tongue.
So there's some crisp rice kind of in the layers of the chocolate. They give it a nice texture. But wow, is that coffee. Hershey. Alright, I'm sure if you're a coffee lover, you're going to give that a 5. However, I'm not. So I'm going to give it a 1.
That was...
It was, for a coffee product, it was something I could probably power my way through without feeling sick.
But it's still a really strong coffee
It's a really
flavor.
strong coffee, so.
So next we've
Wait,
got...
you didn't give it a rating.
Oh, I would say 1 out of 5.
1.
But next we get to mix our feelings out with some mixed berries.
I love berries.
Ooh, it's one little thing. Oh,
No, it's not.
I'll take this piece. It smells very good. It smells like gummy bears.
So these Cocoa Creations must have like crunchy stuff in it. It shows little crackery cookie things on the cover, but it's just a tiny picture, you can barely tell. So yeah, you've got that layer of crunch in there again.
It tastes like those Harib's gummy bears.
Mmm. It does taste like gummy bears. The berry flavor is really nice. But you still get a really deep, dark chocolate flavor too.
It's not like one of those strawberry. It's like tropical berries.
Yeah. It's really nice. It has a great mix. I hope they bring those to the States.
Yeah.
I would give that
5 out of 5.
a 5. It was really good.
Well, next we've got salted caramel. This is going to be really good.
Oh, we should mix up our caramel so we don't be too in a row.
Yeah.
So this is the salted caramel that's the Cocoa Creation, so it's going to have dark chocolate. That's for mom.
Oh, this smells... Oh, yeah, it definitely smells like caramel.
Yeah, that is a really rich caramel scent.
It smells like the caramel cocoa.
Yeah, the smell is amazing. The smell is actually better than the flavor. Well, once you let it sit and really melt in your mouth.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
That's amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, it also tastes like those salted caramel M&Ms.
The funny thing is there's no actual layer of caramel, but it definitely feels like there is.
Artificial?
No, it just feels like there is caramel. It's the richness of the chocolate, but the perfection of the caramel flavor feels like it's melting caramel in your mouth, but there is none.
I'd give this a 5.
Oh yeah, 5. Bring those here.
So next we've got hazelnut flavor. It smells like autumn.
It smells like roasted nuts. It is very close to those Ferrero Rocher. Those round balls that are chocolate and nuts. Flavor is really close to that.
I don't really like it. At first it smelled okay, and now...
That's really nice. I can't really tell you what's in it because the package on the back is all in Thai, but it's really very good.
Why do you like it?
I'm going to give this a 4.
I'll give it a 2. Another... Ooh, this is cookies and cream salted caramel.
I remember when Hershey's Cookies and Cream first came out, I was crazy in love with them. So, cookies and cream with salted caramel.
The 2 best today. Well, we didn't have cookies and cream, but salted caramel, we already tried it. It was really good.
Chocolate fingers now.
Ooh. Can you open it? I can't get it open.
This is why you don't take pictures after. Alright, so you can see the white chocolate, but in the back you can see through the caramelly browner pieces in there.
It doesn't even smell like white chocolate. It just smells like caramel.
So the caramel replaces the crunch of the classic cookies and cream crunch. I thought maybe there would be cookies and the caramel. The caramels are the cookie.
Yeah, I'd say they're like salted caramel cookie.
That's what it says. White chocolate with salted caramel cookie.
I think the cookies and cream are the little dots.
Yes, yummy.
That's pretty good.
This is really good. It's I think I prefer the caramel in the darker chocolate than the white chocolate. The texture-wise, it really comes out nicer. But this is still an amazing mix.
Product.
And I'm going to give this 4.
I'll give it a 3 1/4.
3 1/4. Well, I brought plenty of things back from Thailand, so we'll be filming some more episodes.
In a few days.
We're actually trying 30 things in one day, so we'll see. And don't forget to
Subscribe.
see you next time.
Bye-bye.